Zart and Biggie brought us one of these stretch men. Look, he wrote us a note. What's inside his big muscles? Biggie. Oh, these things are so much fun. Comment down below if you've ever played with one of these. I've just always wondered what's inside of him. And how can you stretch him so much and then he goes right back to normal? How's that possible? And he's so squishy. Should we cut him open? Okay, let's get ready. 1, 2, no, let's play with him a little bit longer, then we'll cut him open. Look at his hands, they're so funny. It's like the funniest toy ever. Okay, comment down below what you think's inside. I think it's gonna be something like, kind of like sand, but white. Okay, whoa. Whoa, you can like squish them. Okay, let's get started. Ew, it's like really, really sticky. Oh, man. Oh. Whoa, it's like almost like a mixture of glue and slime together. Comment down below if you guessed right. Oh man, this is just crazy. Crazy and so sticky. Let's see if the same thing's inside of his arm. Ooh. Okay, let's see his arm now. Ew. Well, if you like this video, down below, you're welcome to like it. Subscribe to my channel, become a member of the Spirella family, where you can see more crazy and silly things me and my elves do. I'm starting to like cutting things open now too. Don't forget to like it up.